Yes, it is giving what it's supposed to have gave. Hey loves, welcome to my channel, All Things Trice. I am Trice. If you are new here, welcome, welcome, welcome. Make sure you subscribe in order to be updated when new videos drop. If you are returning, thank you so much for your love and support. So today we'll be talking about Love Me Hair, which is this beautiful hair that I am wearing today. This is the 22-inch wet and wavy affordable headband wig. And let's just say I absolutely love this hair. This is my second time wearing it and I just can't get enough. We're going to talk about the convenience. We're going to talk about it being affordable. We're going to talk about everything Love Me Hair, okay? This is freshly washed. I put conditioner in it. As soon as I got it, I immediately threw it on. I've had it for about, I'll say about 2 months now. Wore it once, wanted to see how I liked it. Now this is my second time wearing it and I am absolutely in love. And by no way is this sponsored, okay? I had to pay for this. So let's get into the details. It is soft. It is cute. I decided to get the wet and wavy because I'm able to, of course, wet it and make it wavy. As I mentioned, this is its natural state. It can just do a little bit of everything. I just wanted something that would have some kind of versatility where I didn't have to touch my hair as much and I can do different styles. I can wear it straight. I can wear it curly. You can wear it half up, half down. All right. If I have my little clip, I don't have any clips with me. Oh, I do have a clip right here. I can do a clip right here and it automatically give it a new look. You can see more of my face and my beautiful earrings. This is from Shop Metal Pieces. It's affordable luxury black owned jewelry company. Love them. So yes, I could do half up. I can even do a bun if I wanted to make it look super natural. I could do a messy bun if I want. You don't even see anything in the back. So I just wanted to get up to show you guys exactly how it looks a little bit. The fullness of it. When you style it in the back, it is not thin at all. It's very full. So let's talk about price. So this particular style, which is mentioned, is a 22-inch. It was $240. Love Me Hair usually always have some type of sale going on or some kind of discount code. They offered 20% off at the time I was purchasing, which was in February. So with the 20% off, my total came to about $192, which I thought was pretty affordable and it was a good investment. Something that I could just throw on my hair, just have my edges out, or for me, I like to put the front piece like this to give it a little bit more natural look instead of just my edges out. So I feel like the $192 was worth it. Long investment in a sense. I'm not going to wear it all the time, so it's going to last me a pretty long time. So as far as shipping and delivery goes, it took about 2 to 3 days in order to process my order for it to get shipped out. Once it was shipped, it took about, I'll say about 7 to 9 days to get to me. There was a little mishap where it was in New York and then it ended up in Atlanta. Then it came back to New York and was finally delivered. So I don't know what that's about. But overall, in the midst of COVID, I would say it had pretty good shipping times. There was not a long delay at all. So I'm pretty happy with that. I didn't have no complaints when it came to shipping and delivery. I wasn't in a rush for it. So if you are looking to have this here for a specific event, I would say definitely order it within 2 weeks of the event, so you can make sure it is there on time. And if you want to wash it, you can. However, when I did receive the hair, I did not have to wash it at all. This is a 22-inch hair. This hair goes down to my waist. Yes, it goes down to my waist. I am pretty tall. I would say about 5'7". So that's pretty good for me. I didn't want anything too long and dramatic, but I did want something that was long, fun, and flirty, I guess. Give me a real Miami, Cuba, on a beach with a martini vibe. This headband can expand and take up this much with me, I like to roll it back because I like to have more of my hair out in the front, as I mentioned, to give it more of a natural look. But yeah, I like to roll it back. Yeah. And it's very easy. So I love this hair because it's very easy. It's very convenient to put on. It's literally like a 3-step process. And I can show you guys really quickly. Here we go. So it's 2 Velcro straps here. And here, which hold it together. This is pretty big for my head. If you have a larger head, it may be a little tight on you. My head is tiny in the back, so I have a lot of room. And you just take it off. So this is how the wig comes. As I mentioned, it is a headband wig, so this is considered a headband. Have 2 Velcro straps. And just strap it like this. This is pretty big for my head, so I put it on, I try to put it on the last Velcro. I could use something to tighten it, but I don't want to make it too tight. So the headband wig comes with combs inside. It comes with 1, 2, 3 at the top and 1 large one at the bottom. So 4 combs inside it. It's pretty long. I mentioned it's the curl tie. This is it after it was, it has fresh co-wash. It's nice and soft, fluffy, smells good. Just as a regular wig, you'll put on. Right? Take the strap. You can take your other strap. And you strap it tight. You can put the comb at the back. Strap it. Some people wear theirs with everything covered. Some people wear theirs with just the edges covered. I like to wear mine with a style. So I fold mine's back and go about my day. That quick 3-minute hairstyle. Not even 3 seconds. Because I've counted before. It literally is 1, 2, 3. So yeah, this is it. You guys see my plant babies in the back? I'm a plant mom. And yeah. So along with this beautiful wig, there's a lot of other goodies that came inside the box. So this is the original unboxing video. This is when I first received the package. This is how it came. So it says, "Love me here, affordable luxury wig." When you first open it, it's a cute little note from the founder. "Enjoy your hair journey from now on." So that was a cute little touch, something personal. Of course, the wig is in a bag with a hairnet and everything else inside. It came with 5 different colorful headbands, which I absolutely love. One of my faves, the leopard. Can't go wrong with leopard. This cute little summertime one. This one is one of my faves. I haven't wore it yet. I'll try it on right now, actually. This has all my favorite colors in it. Have a lighter tone color, cute for the summer, and then you have a standard army fatigue. So this, you just literally put over like this. I don't put this over. Uh-oh. You can style it however you want. You can crisscross it, but just generally speaking, it just adds a little. It's a little loud because I have this going on with this, but it is so stinking cute. And yeah, you just go about your day. As I mentioned, some people usually only show their edges, so this is how it would really look. It would just be like my edges being out, but of course I parted it so it looks a little different. But yeah, as I mentioned, I absolutely love this. So it comes with these headbands. It came with the standard head tie to, you can see I've been using this for my edges, okay? To tie your edges down. It came with 2 wig caps, one I'm wearing, another nude wig cap. Also came with this cute little pouch that says Love Me Here. Inside the pouch we have standard comb and brush for your edges. This is if you want to make your hair tighter. So somebody like me, I can use this because it's pretty big on my head, but I prefer not to. Came with some bobby pins, because we know bobby pins get up and walk. So definitely, thank you, Love Me. Tweezers. Standard Love Me clip. Let me see, can you guys see? The Love Me clip. And yeah, so it's pretty much it. All the goodies came. As I mentioned, all of this came for, the price came down to $190. So with $190, I got a headband wig. Came with 5 additional colorful headbands. Came with all these goodies to tie my hair down. Pins, clips, all those things. So much you can do with this hair. And I'm just like, so I'm going to have so many. I'm going to have all flavors, all colors, all styles, afros, jerry curl. If they even have a wig that have finger waves, best believe Trice is on it, okay? But yeah, I'm just all about convenience. I really hate doing my hair. I need to stop touching my hair so much, so I just needed something that is fast, easy for me to like just get up and throw on when I have to run and do errands. So yeah, I done recommend this to so many of my girlfriends, and they all have ran and got them a headband wig, okay? So don't get left. If you were contemplating, let this be the video to let you know this is the real deal. Get on it if you're not already on it, okay? This is Love Me Here. Is it worth the hype? 2 thumbs up for me. So try it out, and when you try it out, spam my comments and let me know. So thank you guys. That is all I have for you today. Thank you so much for watching my Love Me Wet and Wavy affordable headband wig in a 22-inch review. Later.